What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix lag issue on ChatGPT. So there are 4 things we'd like to mention so you can take note of in order to fix the lagging issue. The first is long chats. Now when you have long chats with ChatGPT, there is a tendency for ChatGPT to start lagging because of the many characters. Try to be concise but be clear so you can get clear responses and a lighter chat session. The second thing we need to do is to check for internet speed. You can go over to fast.com or speedtest.net and you'll be able to check your internet speed. If your internet is slow, you can switch to another or restart your modem. The third thing is to switch browsers. So currently we're here on Microsoft Edge, but you could switch from Microsoft Edge to Chrome browser, Brave browser, or Opera. So if your browser is the reason, you will be able to identify this problem by switching browsers if that's the culprit. And our last tip is to upgrade your plan. Now, as you can see here on ChatGPT, this is the ChatGPT, great for everyday tasks, but you also have the ChatGPT Plus where you can use the smartest models and more options. So if you're paying, you definitely will be able to get priority responses as you're a paying customer. So these are the tips to take note of if you'd like to fix lagging issues on ChatGPT.